Anchors are used to make important structural connections. In some instances, life safety depends on these connections. Following directions and correctly performing the steps necessary for any adhesive anchor system is critical to that system performing as it was designed.
On the evening of July 10th, 2006, a newlywed couple was driving through a 10-year-old section of an interstate highway tunnel beneath the city of Boston. 26 tons of concrete ceiling panels and debris collapsed and crushed their car, killing the woman and injuring her husband. The failure of a group of adhesive anchors had set off a chain reaction, causing multiple ceiling panels to fall onto the roadway. Safety inspections after the accident identified 242 potentially dangerous bolt fixtures supporting the ceiling tiles in the tunnel. Adhesive anchors are a commonly used system for making connections in the construction industry. But how much do you really know about their installation? This certification program has been developed to verify basic skills in the proper installation of adhesive anchors in concrete construction. It covers a wide range of adhesive anchor systems, installation conditions, and issues commonly encountered on job sites, but is not a substitute for direct instruction on the adhesive anchor system that you may be using on a particular job. To become certified, you must pass both a written and a performance exam. The written certification exam will cover the material in the ACI CRSI Adhesive Anchor Installer Certification Workbook and will be conducted prior to the performance exam. You will have 90 minutes to complete the written exam, but you will not be allowed to refer to the workbook during this period. You will be notified by ACI headquarters whether you have passed about 1 week after we receive your exam. The performance certification exam will include 3 portions. 1. A vertical down anchor installation. 2. A vertical up application using a retaining cap system. And 3. A vertical up application using a piston plug system. At the vertical up station, you will have the opportunity to demonstrate the ability to correctly use both the piston plug and the retaining cap systems. The examiner is not permitted to tell you whether you've made a mistake until you've completed the entire portion of the performance exam. If you fail a portion of the performance exam, the steps you failed to do correctly will be explained to you, and you will be allowed to retake that portion 1 additional time. If you fail the portion a second time, you will have to retake the portion of the exam you failed on another day. If you fail one of the overhead applications and desire to be certified for both systems, you have 1 year to complete a retest. There are final checks in each portion of the performance exam that must be performed after the adhesive is cured. These checks cannot be made on the day of the exam. If you fail a part of the performance portion due to one of these checks, you will have to retake that portion of the performance exam. For availability of this program in your area, contact your local ACI sponsoring group or ACI certification department at 248-848-3790.